Character types in literature. Protagonist, the main character or the central figure around whom the story revolves. They are usually the hero or heroine of the narrative. Antagonist, the character or force that opposes the protagonist, creating conflict and obstacles for them. Supporting characters, these characters provide support to the protagonist and help move the story forward. They may include friends, family members, mentors, or allies. Foil characters, these characters are designed to contrast with the main character, highlighting their qualities or characteristics by being their opposite. Dynamic characters, these characters undergo significant changes or development throughout the story. They may start with one set of traits or beliefs and evolve as the narrative progresses. Static characters, unlike dynamic characters, static characters do not experience significant changes or growth. They tend to remain consistent in their personality, beliefs, or role. Round characters, these characters are multidimensional and well-developed, exhibiting a range of emotions, complexities, and contradictions. They often feel like real people with depth. Flat characters, in contrast, lack depth and complexity. They typically have a single dominant trait or characteristic that defines them throughout the story. Stock characters, these characters are based on familiar stereotypes or archetypes that readers easily recognize. They serve specific functions in the story, such as the wise old mentor or the comic relief sidekick. Villains, these characters are typically the embodiment of evil or the primary source of conflict in the story. They may have complex motivations or simply serve as the embodiment of malevolence. Thank you.